In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A56, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Google. Then choose All Services to scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Choose Continue, tap on Continue in the pop-up and select Google. Then hit OK. Go back and finally choose Google Password Manager to hit Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top you can type in any website or select an app. Then input all of those informations here, and when you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!